In this video, we will understand difference between for loop and while loop. So before moving pattern programs, we need to know the difference between for loop and while loop. Here for loop, number of iterations is known. If you know how many number of iterations, for example, here I want to print 1 to 5 numbers. So here I already know I want to print 1 to 5. Then we go for loop. In while loop, we don't know how many iterations it will take. So it will run until condition becomes false. So here I'm taking I equal to 1 and condition is I less than or equal to 5 and it runs I equal to 5. So if I equal to 6 means condition false and loop stop. So it is the main difference for loop and while loop. So first one is a number of iterations known and initialization condition updation in one place. So here we are initializing I equal to 1. So condition is I less than or equal to 5 and I increments. So here we know the how many iterations from 1 to 5. Then we go for loop. So for while loop, number of iterations is unknown. If we don't know how many iterations, we will go for while loop. So here main difference is there. And next initialization before loop means we are initializing before the loop. So updation inside the loop. Next runs until condition becomes false. Means here it runs I equal to 5 and if it becomes I equal to 6 the condition becomes false and loop stop immediately. So the main difference is for loop and while loop is if you know how many number of iterations then we will go for loop. If you don't know how many iterations we will go for while loop. So this is the main difference for loop and while loop. If you like my video, like and subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.